Valorant stuck on loading screen fix in 2024. Press Windows key along with the R key at the same time. It'll open up a little box on your screen called the Run dialog box. In that box, type in %local app data % exactly as I say it, no spaces or anything, and then press enter. This will take you to a special folder. You'll see a bunch of folders. Look for one called Valorant. It's where the game stores some important stuff. Once you've found the Valorant folder, right-click on it using your mouse. You'll see an option that says delete. Click on that and say yes when it asks if you're sure you want to delete it. Now, let's find another folder called Riot Games. It's in the same place where you found the Valorant folder. Inside Riot Games, you'll see another Valorant folder. Do the same thing here, right-click, choose delete, and confirm. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut, the one you use to open the game, and choose Open File Location. It'll show you where the game's files are stored on your computer. You'll see a window pop up with some folders. Click on Riot Games and then open the Valorant folder again. Inside the folder that opens up, look for a folder called Live. Click on that one. Inside the Live folder, you'll see two files named Manifest Debug Files Win64 and Manifest Non-UFS Files Win64. Just delete both of them. Now, you're all set. Open up Valorant again and see if it loads properly. Hopefully, it's smooth sailing from here on out. If this fix worked for you, don't forget to smash that like button and let me know in the comments below. And if you're facing other gaming issues, drop them in the comments too. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming.